What up? My name is Grant McCombs, and today I'm going to show you 3 steps on how to front board on a street board. This is an intermediate trick, so before trying it, you want to make sure you have your front side 50-50s down. So for those of you who might not know what a front board is, it's when you approach an obstacle front side, place your front truck over the obstacle, and slide on the center of your bar. Step 1 is working on the position of your body. Before taking this to an obstacle, you should practice this position just on flat ground. For the proper position, you want your head looking back over your shoulder towards the end of the rail, and you want your front shoulder back behind you and your other shoulder in front of you. Step 2 is practicing getting into the front board while stationary. You should try this on a low obstacle. This can be anything like a small ledge or curb. Key thing to remember is to land on the center of your bar and make sure your eyes are looking over your shoulder towards the end of the obstacle. Step 3 is taking it to a rail. I would suggest finding a low flat rail as your first obstacle. You want to approach this trick with moderate speed. Start small just by hitting the end of the rail first. Use the techniques from step 1 and 2 to help with your balance. Once you're comfortable with hitting the end of the rail, try working your way back to hitting the middle of the rail. Just remember to maintain your composure all the way through the slide. After that, now you want to try and hit the full rail. You'll probably want to go a little faster for this one. This can be a scary trick, so go at your own pace and have fun with it. More repetitions is going to help you get better and better at this trick. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped. Let us know down in the comments below. If you haven't already, like and subscribe and hit that bell notification. We'll see you in the next one.